In this video, I want to share to you on how to edit your video by using some applications. So I have here 5 list of application na i-recommend ko sa inyo. So first is, so if you're using an iPhone, you can go to App Store so you can download the app. And if you're using an Android, so pwede kayo sa Play Store magpunta. And first app na i-recommend ko sa inyo is InShot. So kung makikita nyo, ito yung InShot. So you can download that one. Pwede nyo siyang i-install. Sa InShot kasi guys, madali lang siya. Super easy. Maglagay kayo ng voice over, pwede din doon. And makikita nyo, ito yung itsura ng InShot. We'll try to open this application. Okay, makikita nyo may video, may photo and collage. Pwede kayo mag-edit dyan. So try natin sa video. Ayan. Pwede nyong i-edit yung video nyo sa InShot. Simple lang siya. If you can add an voiceover, okay lang po. Mas madali siya talaga. Promise. And next app na i-recommend ko sa inyo is Viva Video. Makikita nyo talaga yan sa App Store or Play Store. And next is, yung bago ngayon is Filmora. Download lang po kayo and try to edit your video. Mas maganda kasi may mga effects, ganon. AI filters, ganon. And pang-apat, we have KineMaster. So pang-apat yan siya. And matagal na tong KineMaster guys. If gusto nyong i-explore, so you can try it. Pwede kayo mag-watch ng video. And for the last one, ito yung maraming gumagamit nito. For the last one is CapCut. So, ito yung CapCut. Yan. Yeah, thank you so much guys and follow for more. Bye-bye.